Our model is simple, and it's all about you. You get to embark on your own unique journey, selling products that you already love from the #1 direct selling brand of skincare and color cosmetics in the world. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a makeup-obsessed student, or a full-time professional with a love for social media, the flexibility of a Mary Kay business allows you to work when you want, where you want, and how you want. You run your Mary Kay business your way. It just fits into your life. Here's how it works. As an independent beauty consultant, you can purchase products directly from Mary Kay and sell them to your customers. The best part is, active independent beauty consultants enjoy an incredible 50% wholesale discount, allowing you to buy for $1 and sell for $2. It's one of the highest profit potentials on sales available in direct selling. As an independent beauty consultant, you own the relationships with your customers. This means that their access to Mary Kay products comes through you, and you are their personal beauty bestie. We make it convenient too, with options like the Mary Kay app and your Mary Kay personal website. It's not required to keep a stock of inventory, and there are so many ways to sell. You can leverage social media and even sell products through your personal website to be delivered to customers via our direct fulfillment options. Selling can be as simple as sharing your love for Mary Kay products with others, and we're here to help every step of the way. With the recently launched Great Start Journey, you'll receive a personal guide designed especially for new independent beauty consultants. This program was developed to simplify your first 4 months and provide the essential resources to work your business based on your goals. Starting a Mary Kay business is simple. Reach out to your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant or visit our website to learn more about the opportunity. Whether it's extra income, personal growth, or building a thriving business, your Mary Kay journey fits into your life. And remember, your Mary Kay business grows at the pace you choose. It's all about pursuing your passion, unleashing your potential, and celebrating every milestone. Your beauty adventure awaits.